This Arabic flatbread forming machine automatically shapes dough into flatbreads with a maximum size of 50 centimeters and thickness adjustable from 2 millimeters, paired with a tunnel oven. The formed flatbreads are directly transferred for even baking, enabling efficient production, ideal for the food service industry, bakeries, and large-scale production lines. It boosts efficiency while ensuring consistency and quality.